What's up everyone, it's OJ coming to you with another cool crypto project that I want to place on your crypto radar. So sit tight and let's dive into it. Welcome back to Crypto Corner, your go-to spot for all things crypto. Today our spotlight is on IguVerse, a blockchain project that's been generating quite a buzz for its unique offerings. This is a blockchain initiative with the objective of establishing a decentralized advertising platform to link social media users with advertisers. It's an innovative approach that introduces blockchain technology to a broader user base through an engaging gamified experience, incorporating advanced machine learning and blockchain solutions within a versatile cross-platform mobile application. At the core of this project lies Reptile, a blockchain designed with scalability, cost efficiency, and speed in mind. It's EVM compatible and tailored specifically for GameFi and DeFi applications. I talked about EVM, a term we use a lot on this channel, so if you're not familiar with it, make sure to check out this video. It will show up at the end of this one, so watch it after this. What's cool about Reptile is its utilization of an enhanced proof-of-stake technology, promoting decentralization while keeping transaction fees at a minimum. Speed is a significant factor too, with Reptile aiming to be one of the faster EVM-compatible blockchains. Its primary objective is to facilitate the seamless integration of GameFi and DeFi applications. Within the IguVerse application, users can create unique NFTs. These can be fashioned from real pet photos or generated with the assistance of artificial intelligence, offering a personalized touch to the digital collectibles. The Igu token is the core of the IguVerse ecosystem, serving various functions that enrich the user experience. It enables NFT minting, allows for the enhancement and leveling up of NFTs, restores seemingly unusable NFTs, and even enables the purchase of mystery boxes, adding an element of excitement and mystery to the platform. There's another token called IguP. This token is specifically employed for pet-related activities within the IguVerse, like feeding pets. It's designed to be deflationary with the token burn mechanism in place, which I like a lot. Token burns are something that is always beneficial to the value, as they reduce the supply and subsequently the value goes up. That is, if demand doesn't dry out, of course, but I don't see any reason for that to happen since this is a new project and it's only getting started. It has a growing user base and they're actually competing to get listed on ByVote right now, and you can win some of these tokens for free in the process. So stick around to find out more. I'll explain it in a moment. But first, let's dive deeper into the IguVerse, which with its innovative blend of blockchain technology, machine learning, and a focus on gamified approach, is setting out to make a significant impact in the crypto and blockchain space. The IguVerse application has a lot of engaging opportunities for its users, establishing a platform where we can monetize our day-to-day online activities while participating in a vibrant pet-centric community. We have the capacity to maximize our digital presence by sharing content on social media and connecting with other fellow pet lovers. The app also actively promotes physical fitness through a creative approach. Users can earn rewards by engaging in activities like jogging, running, and walking as well, with the added motivation of nurturing their digital pets, fostering a healthy and active lifestyle. In line with its commitment to user engagement, IguVerse has implemented a referral program, permitting users to invite others to join the community and subsequently reap more rewards. This initiative not only bolsters the user base but also reinforces the sense of community and collaboration. PvP games, where users can play against each other, are also competitive gameplay, where you can earn generous rewards. This serves as an avenue to enhance the overall rewards from core tasks, and according to my research, the IguVerse app has achieved some significant milestones. It has been downloaded over 600,000 times across both the App Store and Google Play. There is a growing community with over 800,000 members actively engaging in the IguVerse experience, and impressively, daily active users consistently exceed 100,000. And that's not all. Users have minted NFTs with combined value exceeding $4 million, underscoring the platform's significance in the NFT space. But IguVerse is not solely focused on its digital realm. It has actively contributed to the animal welfare causes by donating over $50,000 through the platform. This demonstrates a commitment to making a positive impact beyond the digital landscape, and it's a good reason to back them up, in my view. This is why I'm placing it today on your crypto radar, but also their token listing contest is a good reason. There's a brand new iPhone and monetary rewards too. This is the official announcement where you will find all the details about this ongoing contest and how to get involved. In this particular listing contest, we will vote for IGU tokens to be listed on ByVote, and we win a share from their rewards pool, which is $121,000. This is running from now until November 24th. The $121,000 rewards will be allocated to 4 campaigns as follows. First, the ByVote users campaign. $100,000 in IGU tokens will be distributed between all ByVote users who voted based on the number of votes that they cast. Second is the Zilli campaign. This is about completing the tasks on Zilli, and it will yield $3,000 in USD Tether and $3,000 in IGU tokens for the participants. There is a separate link to use to join this one, as you can see here on your screen. You will find it on the announcement page linked below. Then there's the new ByVote users campaign. This is for the first 800 people who register on ByVote and vote for IguVerse. They will receive $5,000 in IGU tokens. Users can also take part in an exclusive ByVote giveaway, winning a $20 voucher and an iPhone 15 Pro. You need to register with the IguVerse link that you will find here on this page. And fourth is the 10K votes campaign. This is for the first 100 people to cast 10,000 votes. They will share the prize pool of $5,000 in IGO tokens, winning $50 each. The link for this one is yet to be announced, so keep an eye on this announcement as it should be updated soon. There is an additional 5th campaign that is for early votes. The first 100 people to vote will share the prize pool of $5,000 in IGO tokens, winning $50 each. This link is also yet to be released. So as you see, you have several opportunities to win rewards from these campaigns. In addition to that, you can earn extra rewards from MemeFi. This is a Web3 gaming project that social tech that is keys for gaming. They're doing a $450,000 airdrop right now. Winners will get Elite and Royale NFTs, which will qualify their wallets for $200 and $1,000 MEMF airdrops. Taking part in the raffle is possible by claiming Elite and Royale tickets. MemeFi has agreed to allocate these tickets as well as exclusive NFTs, adding extra rewards on top of the prize pool. The ByVote users campaign for the MemeFi giveaway gives participants the ability to claim a reserved role in MemeFi Discord and an NFT, making them subject to additional benefits. For new ByVote users, 800 people who register on ByVote using the IguVerse link, they will receive 1 Elite ticket and 1 Royal ticket, giving you additional rewards if you're new to ByVote. And there's an extra $20 welcome bonus by ByVote itself. And then for the 10K votes campaign, the first 100 people who vote for IguVerse with a maximum of 10,000 votes, they will receive 1 Elite and 1 Royal ticket as well. And lastly, the early vote campaign gives 2 Elite tickets to the first 1,000 users to vote. As I always say, it pays to be early with these things, so waste no time, folks. Bear in mind that to participate in any of these contests and airdrops, you have to have your KYC sorted on ByVote. It's a quick process, but it's good to get it done as soon as possible, so you don't have to risk missing out on these. The deadlines are tight. Also, you need to have some stablecoins in your account on ByVote. You need this to qualify for the voting. You will not be spending any of this, but you need to have them in your balance. And you need to deposit them within a week from registering. I would say do this straight away. Also, keep your balance there until the winner is announced. In the past, some users were not aware of this, and it's possible to lose your vote if you withdraw too early. The winner will be announced very soon after the voting closes, so there's no need to worry. The stablecoins that are accepted are USD Tether, USDC, BUSD, CUSD, USDD, or DAI. The voting process is in several stages. First, a snapshot will be taken at 11:59 p.m. UTC on November 22nd, just before midnight. Second, the voting begins at 3 a.m. UTC on November 23rd, so that's 3 hours after the snapshot, and voting ends at 3 a.m. UTC the next day, November 24th, so it's a 24-hour window for all voting as per usual. In order to vote, your assets must be in your account before the snapshot is taken, so before November 22nd midnight. As I said, all the details about this are on this page, so make sure to follow the steps as outlined here, and good luck! I will remind you about this closer to the time, but I suggest that you get your ByVote account sorted in the meantime. All in all, this is a fresh new blockchain project that offers an AI-powered NFT marketplace and a gamified decentralized ad platform that connects content creators and advertisers to facilitate native and reliable advertising. By fostering a dynamic community of pet lovers and crypto aficionados, this platform has redefined the way we engage with technology. From AI-powered NFTs to fitness incentives and charitable endeavors, IguVerse showcases a holistic approach to the evolving blockchain ecosystem. The IGO token has several uses in the ecosystem, including NFT minting, ranking up and leveling up NFTs, restoring unusable NFTs, and purchasing mystery boxes. The IGUP token, another token within the ecosystem, is used for feeding pets, and it's a deflationary due to the token burn. The IguVerse app offers various activities for its users, including a reaction-based minigame, rewards for physical activities, and a referral program. The platform also has a PvP game that allows users to compete and earn rewards. Their app has been downloaded over 600,000 times across the App Store and Google Play, with a community of over 800,000 users and daily active users exceeding 100,000. The project is also developing a virtual reality metaverse for product presentations and project management. Really exciting times to get involved with it, and even if you don't feel ready yet, it should definitely be on your watch list at least. All the projects that I feature here on this channel are having excellent performance this year, so don't miss a beat. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting a new video, and show your support. Leave a like and a comment below. If you are a passionate pet lover like me, I invite you to join the IguVerse community. Let's come together, showcase our furry friends, and make some money along the way. Click the link in the description to get started and unlock the full potential of your digital presence. See you there!